Hey guys, it's me, BTnGy. Today, I'm going to be doing some comparison thing on what has the better effect, pencil or mechanical pencil. Okay, first up we're going to do the pencil. Now this usually catches fire, so I just want you to see what the norm is, what regular pencils do. It's smoking right now. You can see it a little bit on camera. Yeah, now you can no longer see the pencil, but a fire's gonna start soon. Oh yeah, fire. And then it just burns out. So as you see, yeah, cool, fire. That could be a problem with picking up. That's not good. Yeah. Oh yeah. I got some junk thing. Yeah. See? Totally smoked out. There's the graphite. If you ever want it hot, whatever. I should have known. Okay. There's the mechanical pencil. Wait. 1 second. Okay, let's see what the mechanical pencil does. It's glowing. I don't know if that's good. And then there's some stuff left in there from the pencil that's on fire. The mechanical pencil is not on fire. Oh wait, maybe it is. Yes, now it's on fire. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's cool. It kind of exploded. Like most things. And now we have a little mini fire. Okay, peace out.